So today I'm installing something that was originally supposed to go on my Miata. I'll explain that here in a second. Today we're doing another mod on the Subaru. In this box, I've got a Viilante wheel, custom Street Bliss collab, really nice wheel, Alcantara suede. This is the horn button they sent me. I didn't get like a specific horn button, so they sent me this one. And right here in this little box is the short hub. And that's all we're doing today. So basically this is going to be a short video, and I'm just going to be taking off the stock steering wheel. Right behind this column here, or right in front of it I should say, I'm going to put the short hub adapter, and then we're going to put the wheel on there. So I'm not going to worry about wiring up the resistor for the airbag light and all that today, because I do plan on getting a different wheel specifically for this car. You already know we got to go with the purple theme. I mean, that's a given. But I'm getting kind of tired of looking at this torn up wheel, and I'm getting tired of not being able to use the new wheel. So I went ahead and bought the short hub adapter, and I'm going to actually buy a quick release when I buy the new wheel. So today we're just installing this wheel, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so first we have to remove the airbag. Gonna be that Torx bit there, and another one right here. Now before we go any further on that, we of course want to take off the negative battery cable. All right, I got the airbag loose. Now I'm gonna undo this plug. You just take a flathead and pop open this little yellow tab. There we go. So I just gotta remove this ground wire from the horn, and I should be able to take the airbag right out. And just like that, that would be a 2006 airbag. So I hope this doesn't explode in my face. And now we need to remove this nut right here. All right, 17 millimeter. Might not be able to do this with one hand. Okay, so it was a little tough, but I broke it loose. Not gonna lie, almost broke myself doing it, but you just need 17, small extension, and this obviously wasn't enough torque for me to get the bolt broke. So what I did was I took a long extension, put a 5/8 spark plug socket over it, put it on there, gave me enough leverage to break it loose. Right when I broke the nut loose, that all shattered. So I recommend actually going and buying like a breaker bar. All right. So actually getting the wheel off was a bit of a struggle. You can see it's moving. I was tapping it here, couldn't get it to move at all. Then I just decided to tap it from the back a few times and pulled side to side like that, and it came right off. So if you guys are struggling, try tapping from the back. That's what I did. But now we can take out the center nut. Oh my God. All right, there we go. Wheel is out. This wheel is honestly super heavy. Like now that I have it out, it's pretty big. There we go. Yeah, just a regular Phillips head. Okay, we are going to try and not break this. There we go. Oh. Well, I don't think we broke it. just move this little plastic piece out the way. Okay, here's the next problem. I gotta figure out how to get these out. So, new hub should go on right there. This piece is gonna come down. Yeah, there we go. I found the 2 wires, or at least I think. Push down on up there where you see that little indentation, there was a green tab. I pushed it all the way down and the connector like disconnected itself. So that one was actually easy. And then there's this black one here. That one was, you know, pretty easy too. Just push right there on that tab and came right out. So I think now we just kind of have to finagle these wires out from under there. Also, I have no idea what this switch is. If anyone has any idea what this is, please tell me. But so far this is going pretty smoothly, and we're gonna have a pink wheel in our black and purple themed car. Also, I know my car's dirty. I'm gonna go buy a vacuum, I know. So honestly, it's not too hard. You just gotta be a little patient with it, but you gotta pop this piece off just so you can get enough room to go in here. You gotta pull the wires up through here. I got the yellow connector, actually just got it out. So if you've got skinny fingers like me, you can kind of stick your hand in this side and kind of push the connector down. If not, once again, the needle nose did come in handy. And about 10 minutes later, we have a full clock spring. This really isn't too hard to do. It maybe takes an hour and a half. I've never done this before, so, and I'm also trying to film, so that's probably taking up more time. Actually, it definitely is. All right, let's go ahead and finish this so we can see what it looks like. So it apparently started raining outside, or it's just drizzling, it's not bad. But this is where I'm at currently. So we've got everything back together. We have the short hub in. Let's go ahead and take out the new wheel. And boom. Dude, this is gonna look so cool. I never actually thought that I would change the steering wheel in this car. There we go, got the wheel unlocked. Because I've always liked the way factory wheels look, but I, like I said, was getting tired of not being able to use this wheel. So I wanted to test this wheel out, and I figured that I would just, you know, buy a new wheel for this car anyway. So, man, this thing seriously looks awesome. Honestly, really loving the way it looks. Mysteriously, our check engine light is gone. All right, let's go for a drive, see how this thing feels. Okay, so this thing looks and feels amazing. Honestly, it's even cooler in person, and I really wish you guys could like physically see how it looks. The wide angle lens makes it look honestly kind of weird. But dude, I thought I wouldn't like the way this looked, but I actually really prefer it over the stock steering wheel. And I've only had it on for like 5 minutes. I don't know, it's just, I like this steering wheel on there too. That is awesome, dude. Actually really hypes me up for the other steering wheel I was looking at. The other steering wheel is a little bit more plain, but it matches more. It's a nice wheel. Yeah, this wheel is, dude, it's awesome. I like that. And it looks even better with not having the check engine light on. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and please share the video if you liked it. It really means a lot for you guys to support me, and some of you guys really just know how to make my day, and I really appreciate that. So you can definitely be on the lookout for more Subaru content here, because like I said, the wheels should be coming soon, and the steering wheel, hopefully. I am gonna be putting an actual quick release in here instead of just having the short hub. And then, of course, I'm gonna fix the horn. I'm actually gonna drive around on this thing, get a better feel for it. Dude, I don't know, I'm excited. I actually really like this a lot more than I thought I would. But all right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.